Hello and welcome to TechLearnist. Today I'm going to show you the process to get Indian passport. This video explains the process to get either a new passport or reissue an existing passport. Let's get started. An Indian passport is nothing but a document which is issued by a government which is required for any Indian national to carry while entering or exiting the country. Who can apply for Indian passport? Any individual who is considered as Indian citizen can apply for passport, and once approved, he or she will get the passport with 10 years validity. An individual who is younger than 18 years is considered as minor, and once approved, he or she will get the passport with 5 years validity. There are additional requirements while applying for minor passport, which we will cover in this video. What are the types of passport? There are two types of passport: an ordinary passport, which can be used by an individual to travel to abroad on business or for holidays, and the second is official or diplomatic passport, which can be used by the government officials to travel abroad on official duties. Most of the people will apply for ordinary passport unless they are into government service. Here is the fee structure. You can apply the passport under two schemes. The normal scheme. In the normal scheme, you should receive the passport within 30 days from the date of application. The police verification typically happens before the issue of the passport, so you need to get the clearance from the police station. The charges for a 36 pages booklet is 1500 rupees, while the charges for 60 pages booklet is 2000 rupees. The second scheme is the Tatkal scheme, which can be utilized for people who need the passport on urgent basis. In this case, the passport will be received within 3 days from the date of application. The police verification typically happens after the issue of the passport. The charges are a bit higher, like 3500 rupees for 36 pages booklet and 4000 rupees for 60 pages booklet. Please visit the passport website in order to find out the charges, as they might change. Where can you apply? You can apply online on passportindia.gov.in by registering for free, or you can also use the M-Seva Passport app, which you can download for free from Google Play Store or App Store. Let's see what are the steps for getting the passport. The first step is to register on the PSK website and log into your account. The PSK website is nothing but the Passport Seva Kendra website. You need to fill an application form online and need to specify whether you are applying for a fresh or reissue of an existing passport. Even if your passport is damaged, you can place an application for that. You need to pay the application fees, which we covered in the previous slide. You need to book an appointment with the nearest Passport Seva Kendra. You need to carry the application receipt or the appointment SMS that you will receive on the mobile number that you have provided while applying for the passport. Visit the Passport Seva Kendra office along with the original documents and the application form or the SMS. Once the application is submitted and has been acknowledged by the Passport Seva Kendra, you need to visit the police station for verification. Typically, you should get a call from the nearest police station where you are residing, and you need to visit along with the original documents that you had carried during the passport application form submission. That's it. Once the police gives the clearance, you should get the passport on the current address by speed post, and the timelines are outlined for normal and Tatkal scheme, which we saw in the previous slide. What are the documents required for passport? Proof of birth. There are multiple documents which can be submitted as proof of birth. Aadhaar card can also be used as proof of birth. Proof of address. You need to provide the current address where you are residing for more than a year. old passport. You need to provide the old passport in case you want to reissue the passport. Reissuing a passport is required whenever a passport is due to expiry. You need to carry the application receipt or the appointment SMS receipt on your mobile phone. There are some additional supporting documents which would be required for different conditions. These supporting document formats, which are also called as forms or annexures, can also be downloaded from the passport website. You need to have these additional annexures if you meet one of these conditions. In case of minor's passport, you need to carry the parents' original and self-attested passports if they have. Annexure A, in case you are a government employee or you're a relative of a government employee and trying to seek the passport. Annexure C, for minors when only one parent has given the consent and another parent has not. Annexure D, for minors when both parents have given the consent. Annexure F, it's a special affidavit required for lost or damaged passport. Annexure G, it's a no objection certificate which you need to furnish from ministry or from Indian consulate in case you're outside the country. Authority letter is required in any case the passport application is going to be submitted by some other person apart from the applicant. And that's it. Once you submit all these documents, you should get the passport in the defined timeline. I'm also going to post a video where I'm going to show you step by step how to fill the application form online. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, Tech Learners.